mayors mula sa iba't ibang bayan ng Batangas, ang ating mga congressman, Congresswoman Leanda, Kong Maitet, Kong EG, ang Team Bagong Lipa, headed by Mayor Eric Africa, at ang ating mga konsehal, to the members of the press, at pati na rin po sa lahat ng mga kinatawan ng mga iba't ibang government agencies, and of course, Governor Wilma Santos Recto, Vice Governor Lucky, and of course, sa lahat po ng mga representatives ng mga public and private hospitals from all over Batangas. Maraming salamat po sa oras na inilaan nyo sa araw na to. Isa po itong malaking karangalan sa akin na tayo po yung magkasama ngayon. So thank you so much for making the time. I know that a lot of work, time, and effort have brought us to this point. Because I know that we all believe that healthcare is not a privilege, but a right that should be afforded to every single Filipino. Salamat po. At kaya po, ako po'y lubos na nagpapasalamat sa mga private and public hospitals na nakiisa at nagbigay suporta para sa inisyatibo na to. Maraming salamat po sa inyo and congratulations to everyone here today. Kung ako po'y bibigyan ng pagkakataon para makapaglingkod po, I will do my best and seek to create policy changes and advocate for policy changes that will further streamline government programs and functions. In other words, making them more efficient and effective so as to not waste a single centavo of taxpayer money. And if today shows us anything, pag nagkakaisa ang pribado at publikong sektor, mas marami po tayong magagawa at makakamit para sa ating mga kababayan na lubos na nangangailangan. Again, to everyone here, congratulations on this momentous occasion. Muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. May God bless all of you at mabuhay po kayo lahat.
Thank you so much, Congressman Ryan Christian Recto. Si Kong Ryan ay handang-handa na talaga para sa Kongreso. Kitang-kita naman po natin how he truly supports this program, and we are all witness kung paano magiging handa at talaga namang masasabi kong is more than ready now to be the Congressman of the 6th District. Once again, palakpakan po natin Congressman Ryan Christian Recto.